I'm going to show you how to change any color in Photoshop. So we'll go over and select the color replacement tool. I'll pick a color. I'll pick orange. It'll look kind of like a cantaloupe maybe. And then I just start filling in. The tool's pretty smart. I can go up to the edges and it's pretty clean, but you can also go in and fine tune later. You can also change the brush size up in the top left where you normally do in Photoshop with any type of brush. So that's one. We can fill in some of the edges here, and then let's do the second one. How about this blue for the second kiwi? And just fill in. Photoshop really does a lot of the work. And I'm doing this quickly. I'm not paying a lot of attention to the edges. You can go in and fill that in, but this is the gist. You can change any color in Photoshop. This is how I like to do it. It's quick and easy. Hope this was helpful. Like and subscribe, or don't.